Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a double-sided invitation using a stock template. This is the beautiful design we're working with today. You can add a new page, but if you want something similar on the back, then it's easier to just duplicate the page and edit the content. Now, let's personalize the invitation. Do you want to add extra event details or just create a matching design for the back? Let's get started. For the first page, we'll keep everything except the event details, location, date, and RSVP info. Since we duplicated the page, we just need to delete the other text. Here's a quick tip. To ensure all your text is centered, make sure your elements are selected, then go to the toolbar, click Align Objects, and choose Horizontal Align Center. For the second page, we'll focus on adjusting event details to make sure everything is clear and visually appealing. And that's it. Your double-sided invitation is ready to go. Try this out in Template and start creating beautiful, sellable designs in minutes.